The treasure. In a town called Agapur, there lived an old man Krishna with his son Akash, wife Padma and a loyal servant Tillu. Padma was Krishna's second wife. He had remarried after the death of his first wife. As time passed, Krishna became more and more tensed about the future of his son. He was not feeling well very often these days, and he was not sure about leaving all the wealth after his death with his wife. She is young, and she may spend all my hard-earned wealth for luxuries. Also, she might remarry and use all the wealth for her own comforts. My only son would be left with nothing. This should not happen. Thinking so, he called his servant Tillu and told him about his feelings. Krishna, along with Tillu, went to a nearby forest with majority of the wealth. They selected a spot below a huge tree and buried all the wealth there. Krishna told Tillu, "Look, I trust you a lot, and since you were my most loyal servant, you should do as I say." "Sure, sir," Tillu said. Krishna told, "Then you should not utter a word about this treasure to my wife. After I die, when my son is 18 years old only, then you should give him all this treasure. You should not even tell my wife about the whereabouts of the treasure." Tillu agreed. Months passed and Krishna died, but Tillu never told anyone about where the treasure was. Finally, the day came when Akash was 18 years old. Padma called her son that day and told him that there was a treasure that his dad had kept hidden so that it may be of use to Akash and that only Tillu knew about it. Akash went to Tillu and asked him to show where the treasure was hidden. Tillu took Akash to the forest and then instead of showing him the spot, he started behaving weirdly and started shouting, "You are useless. Why should I tell you?" They then came back and Tillu was back to his normal self again. This happened twice and Akash was confused. Akash went to one of his dad's close friends, Murthy, and asked him a solution for the problem. Murthy knew Tillu from a long time. He just told Akash to ask Tillu again and then observe the spot where Tillu starts behaving differently. There is a psychological problem in Tillu. He turns proud when he realizes he is important. If you dig that place, the treasure will surely be there. Taking this advice, Akash did what Murthy had asked him to do. He noted the spot and then after some time, he came back there alone. When he dug the place, he found the hidden treasure there. Akash used the wealth wisely and lived happily thereafter. Moral: do not give much importance to people who do not deserve it.